Hi friends, in this video we will create a program to take principal, rate and time, and using this principal, rate and time it calculates principal interest and shows to the user. So what will I do? First we will take principal, rate and time, these three from the user. From the user then we will calculate simple interest. So basically we know that simple interest is equal to principal rate into time. Divide by 100 is your principal interest. Then we will show this simple interest system dot out dot print ln simple interest si. So basically this will do in this video. So let's do it. So friends, here you can see I have written some Java codes. So basically we have created a Java class and a main function. And inside the main function we have written some code. So here you can see we have created a scanner SC object to take input from the user. And here we will taking input from the user. This is your amount, rate and time. So we have taken these three values and now basis of this three value we will calculate simple interest. So right here double is equal to principal rate into time divide by 100 is your principal interest. So if we write this, your simple interest has been calculated. Now we need to print system dot out dot print ln simple interest si. We have did some mistake si, and now we will run this code. So we'll copy this class name and go here and write Java. Here you can see your enter amount. It will here we will enter amount 1000 and rate is equal to 2% and time is equal to 1 year. Here you can see your simple interest is 20. So again we will run this code and now we will give amount 1000 with interest 4 and time 2 year. Here you can see your simple interest is 120. So we have successfully created a program to calculate simple interest. So thank you.